health insurance companies. I've been listening to the presidential debates. They've been talking about healthcare all the time, pretty much. And I never really thought about it like this before, but I'm starting to come to the conclusion, also based upon my experience and other people's, that health insurance companies may be very evil. Let me just say a little bit about that, why I think that might be the case. I mean, I'm not a total healthcare expert, so I've followed the issue like I follow all issues, but I'm sure there's things I don't know. So the fundamental reason why I think healthcare companies may be evil is because they put profits over life. Like, some people argue that the whole goal of insurance companies is to deny you services, because the more services they deny you, the more money they make. I don't know for sure that's a fact, but I think the principle is generally, probably true, because they are beholden to their shareholders, and they have to make as much profit as possible. Denying service makes them more. I mean, if you just look at insurance companies, they make it so hard to get approvals for things. Deny. And then, you have to fight, even for life-saving things. And most of the bankruptcies in this country are, because of, health crises, even with people that have health insurance. A lot of times people even that have health insurance, once they get into a health crisis, they still go bankrupt because either they max out or the insurance company doesn't pay for what they need. To me, it's a little bit evil just to put money before life. Life is more important than money, and I realize that businesses have a responsibility to make money, but I would not want to be in a business where I was killing people, basically. I mean, like they say, tobacco is a legitimate industry. I mean, that's also killing people. It's a little bit different, I think, with tobacco, because people have the choice, even though people become addicted. And it wasn't really a choice for a long time, because the tobacco companies, obviously, it was shown, covered over the evidence that nicotine is addictive. But, now in the modern times, people, have a choice of whether they want to smoke or not. It's not that easy to quit. But with healthcare, you don't really have a choice about whether to have healthcare. I mean, everybody needs healthcare. And, most people, I mean, there is the marketplace and there's other things for people that qualify, but most people have to rely, I think it's 149 million people in America have to rely on private healthcare insurance. And I think healthcare insurance is killing people, and it's killing people, I think, intentionally. Not that they're sitting around the room saying, let's kill people, but the policies that they, put in place, wind up with that happening, because, again, they have the profit motive rather than the service motive. So I would say, yeah, I think health insurance companies, I'm not saying people should go to jail. I don't think it's illegal, but I think it's evil.